Here's the app called Glance. Shop with AI. Style with AI. Shop top brands. Your intelligent shopping agent. Understand you and your world, chats with you and recommends what it feels like you, creates a personal shopping feed starring you, helps you shop your favorites instantly. Your personal AI shopping feed styled by an intelligent agent and built around you. Chat to discover your style and get truly relevant personalized shopping picks. Discover a shopping feed that feels designed for you because it is. Glance introduces completely new agentic shopping experience where the Glance agent works behind the scenes to create a deeply personal fashion feed using just a single selfie. So how it works, you upload one selfie and then Glance agent creates for you in under a few minutes personal feed of collections that you can shop, editorial quality AI styled images starring you, created mood boards that suit your aesthetic, and yeah, pretty cool. So you can just try this. And then you can see I'm Glance, your intelligent shopping agent. And then let's just create an account just to show you how it works. Oops. Then you just need to select age. And then you can just type. So this is kind of looks like a chat where you're just asking all these things about your style. I didn't upgrade yet. So let's just for example. And then you can just tap try on. And then the idea is that you just can, you need to take a selfie. Uh, so just as an example, you need to do all of this. Of course, you need to take better selfies, everything, but here's just an example. And then it's, you can see it just literally takes, yeah, like 50 seconds. Then you can see that's how it just generates. So yeah, that's kind of the idea. And then you can delete the account, you can connect to the TV, you can start a new chat, you can see where is my previous chats, and then yeah, you see a previous chat. So that's kind of, obviously you can do that in the yeah, you can do that in different other apps like AI chatting apps, but here is just specifically tied to yeah to your view. So that's what it is.